Welcome to my channel, where we discuss everything and all things politics, economy, and development in Nigeria and around the world. The presidency has taken a shot at the opposition political leaders, saying that they should wait till 2027 to test their popularity instead of distracting the president right now. That's what we're going to talk about in this video, about this advice by the presidency, whether it makes any sense at all. Let's go. Now, before I go further on this, if you are new to my channel and you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. The presidency has urged political opponents and opposition elements against President Bola Ahmed Tinubu-led government to wait till the 2027 general election to test their popularity. The presidency, in a statement issued by President Bola Ahmed Tinubu's special advisor on media and public communication, Mr. Sunday Dare, stated that the president remains unperturbed and unconcerned over the rhetorics from opposition figures in the country. The presidency was reacting to the National Conference on Strengthening Democracy in Nigeria, which was held last week and was attended by prominent political figures in the country, including former Vice President Alhaji Atiku Abubakar, former Rivers State Governor and Minister of Transportation Chibike Rotimi Amechi, former Governor of Kaduna State Malam Nasiru El-Rufai, former Governor of Sokoto State and now Senator Aminu Waziri Tambawa, and former Governor of Ekiti State, Dr. Kayode Fayemi, among others. So the presidency is saying, don't distract us. Wait until 2027 to test your popularity among Nigerians. That the president, in fact, the statement was saying that the president is much more concerned about how to make the country better. In fact, Dare said that President Bola Ahmed Tinubu was in Dar es Salaam working for the development of the country, in public, representing the country in Dar es Salaam and all that. And in any case, that the president is not distracted. But of course, you know that the president, I said the president is undistracted, is unconcerned, unperturbed. But you can tell that the presidency was perturbed. If it was not perturbed, why did Sunday Dare have to issue a statement in respect of that? It means that they were perturbed. They were concerned. Okay. So the idea that they should wait until 2027 is neither here nor there. In any case, when the All Progressive Congress was in opposition, it didn't take that same advice. When they were in opposition, after the 2011 election, in which Dr. Goodluck Ebele Jonathan emerged the president of the country, the opposition, they didn't wait until 2015 before they started picking holes with the administration of Jonathan. They did not. That is the truth. So why are they giving advice that they did not keep when they were in opposition? For instance, you know that Jonathan was sworn in on May 29, 2011 as president. By January 1st, 2012, Jonathan removed fuel subsidy When Jonathan removed that fuel subsidy, what did the opposition do? Did they wait until 2015? No, they didn't wait. President Bola Ahmed Tinubu and all the rest of them, opposition leaders, they mobilized nationwide protest, especially in Lagos, to protest against that fuel subsidy that was removed by Jonathan. And from that day, from that period, they were very ferocious in their attack of the Jonathan administration. They never gave Jonathan administration a breathing space. They were constantly attacking Jonathan administration and the PDP. We know this. President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, every policy of Jonathan was attacked. Virtually every policy of Jonathan was attacked by Tinubu and co. Even when Jonathan administration wanted to start saving excess crude account that Jonathan administration saved, it was President Bola Ahmed Tinubu as opposition leader that is among those that instigated that money be spent. Using people like Amechi, who was the chairman of the governors forum at that time. They say, bring the money, let us share it now. The excess crude account was excess money that was generated from sale of crude beyond what was the benchmark that was in the budget. That excess crude account was supposed to be the money to be used during the rainy days of any country. In fact, in her book, Dr. Ngozi Okonjo-Iweala wrote that it was Peter Obi was the only governor who was pushing that money should not be shared. But Amechi, being part of the opposition, leaning towards Tinubu and co., were insisted that they share the money. And that was how, by 2015, the country was literally borrowing money to pay salary. Because when the excess crude was there, Bola Ahmed Tinubu wrote that time that they said that they are saving the money for rainy days. He said, when we are already being drenched by rain. That was Bola Ahmed Tinubu. They were in opposition. They didn't wait until 2015 before they were doing that. They were doing that long before 2015. So the idea that opposition should wait until 2027 is funny. Because that was not what they did themselves in power now when they were in opposition. They didn't wait until 2015 before they started the process of unseating Jonathan. In any case, look at the coalition they formed against Jonathan. Did they start it on 2015? No. They started it after Jonathan emerged. And they discovered that they want to build a coalition against Jonathan. That was why, if you look at in the records, you find out that APC was formed February 2013. That was barely 2 years after Jonathan became president in 2011. Why didn't APC wait until 2015 before forming their party? Why didn't they wait? So why are they now advising the opposition that they should wait until 2027 to test their popularity? When they themselves, when they were in opposition, they didn't wait until the election year to test their popularity with Jonathan or with the PDP. Sometimes if they don't know what to say, it's better for them to just keep quiet. If the opposition do something that they know they have nothing reasonable that can make sense. They can just ignore it, allow the Nigerian people to keep on taking record of all these things to respond to them on the election day in 2027. Because it's even far more makes sense for them to not to talk, because we have people like us, we have this kind of channel where we will always remind them where they were coming from. When they come with that their hypocrisy, we will remind them of their record with verifiable proof of what they did when they were in the opposition. They are lucky that the opposition has not been able to coordinate itself effectively. In fact, they will be so confused in all these things they are doing that they wouldn't even be able to concentrate to do anything. Just like the way they distracted Jonathan with all kinds of allegations and lies just to hoodwink Nigerian people. But the opposition in Nigeria right now had been very measured, very matured, unlike their own opposition. When they were in opposition, they were saying so many radical things. Just like Amechi rightly pointed out, they were even threatening the government of the day. Remember, it was the APC that said that if this election of 2015 is rigged, if the election of 2015, that they will form parallel government. It was this same APC that threatened the government of the day that they will form parallel government if the election was rigged. But they were the ones. But today, if you say something like that, they will attack you. But they did it. They threatened the government of Jonathan that if the election was rigged, they will form parallel government. So they are not in a position to tell the opposition how to run their affairs. The opposition have no business listening to them. In fact, what the opposition should do is to copy their blueprint. And it was that their blueprint that Amechi reviewed the other day, and they are not mad about it, because that is the only blueprint, the only language they understood. And that's the only language that can take them out of power in 2027. That's the truth. And they don't want it to be talked about. That's why they are threatening Amechi and all that. So they are not in a position to advise the opposition how to run their affairs. Because if the opposition follow their blueprint, they will not find their government comfortable. Just like Jonathan didn't find his government comfortable because of the ferocious threats and attacks by the APC when they were in opposition. That's my take. I don't know what you think about this. What do you think about the presidency advising the opposition that they should wait until 2015 to test their popularity with the Nigerian people, when they didn't do the same when they were in opposition? What's your take? Whatever is your position, let's hear from you at the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. And if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. And please don't forget to like this video, because when you like it, Google will rank it high and recommend it for more people. Thank you, and God bless you and yours.